Chapter 4. Chapter 4, linear equations in two variables. Two variables means here our method will be ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Here x and y, they are two variables. Okay, and a, b, c, they are constant. Constant means any number. Any number will be there. Any number will be there. So here this is two variables means, and this statement is known as the equation. This full statement is known as equation. This is your equation. Ax plus by plus c equal to 0, where a and y are the two variables and a, b, c are constant. But here one condition is there. Means the x and y, two variables are there. So these can be any number, means real number. These can be a real number. Real number means all including 0, then rational number, irrational number, fraction, anything may come. So x and y can be a real number, and both are not zero. First I said that x and y can be a real number. So you will say real number includes 0 also. Whole number is included in the real number. So 0 is also included. But one condition is there. Condition number 2 is there. Both are not 0, means one at least should be a number. Both cannot, x or y, both cannot be 0. So this is the main condition. Now we are going to solve your exercise. Okay, exercise 1. The 4.1, question number 1. Here notebook cost they are taking as twice pen. Okay, so here in the question they are asking you to take a notebook as x, they are saying, and pen as a y, they are saying. So what you will write? You will write x equal to 2y or x minus 2y is equal to 0. So this is your variable. Write a linear equation. Linear equation in two variables is here. Okay, two variables are there. Okay. Now question number 2. Express the following linear equations in ax by plus c equal to 0. In this form you have to express. You have to express in this form. So how you have to express? Now question number 2, sub question 2 we are taking. X minus y upon 5 minus 10 equal to 0, and indicate the value of, here they are asking the value of a, b and c. You have to give, this will be your answer. So here it is already ax means a is not here. So what we will presume? We will presume it as 1 multiplied by x. One point is this is for multiplication. Multiplication, this sign is also used in algebra. Okay, so 1 into x, so that x value will not change. So a's value will be, and y is equal to y upon 5. Y upon 5 you can write as 1 upon 5. Y you can write, and minus 10 equal to 0. So x a here a 1 is a. So a is equal to 1, and y before 2y, b is there, so b is 1 upon 5, and c is minus 10. So this is your answer. Here y means minus 1 upon 5y, so you have to write minus 1 upon 5. Okay. Now question number 5th we are taking. Question number 2 and sub question 5. 5 we are taking. 2x is equal to minus 5y. Okay. So first you have to convert it in ax dy plus c. So ax is given 2x plus dy. So this we will bring to other side. LHS, left hand side, right hand side and left hand side. This we will bring to the left hand side. So plus 5y. Now b also come, but c is not given. So c you can write at 0.c. 0 multiplied by c. So value of c will be 0 and it will not affect your equation. So this your equation is complete. Ax by plus c equal to 0 you have written. Now here the value of a, b and c you have to give. Answer a equal to, b equal to and c equal to. They are asking these constant values they are asking. So here a in place of a 2 is written, so 2 will come. Here in place of y plus 5 is written. Okay, and for the c it is 0 is written. So these will be your answers. Okay, now we will go to the second and seventh. Second question number 2 and 7th sub question 7th. Okay, so here y minus 2 equal to 0. So here x is not there. So what we will presume? We will presume 0 dot x. So 0 dot x means it will be 0 and it will not affect your equation value. Okay, 0x plus y 1 dot y. 1 multiplied by y, value will not change. Minus 2, you have to be careful, value of the equation should not change, equal to 0. And here you have to tell a equal to 0, b is equal to 1 and c is equal to minus 2. Okay, so this will be your answers. Okay, here we will go to next question. Exercise number 4.2, question number 1. So here they are asking y equal to 3x plus 5. We can write this in this form. We can write it 3x and y minus y and plus 5 equal to 0. We can write in this way also. Okay, here. So here value of x, any value, any number you can give, and y also any number you can give. So naturally here they are asking true or false you have to give, and with the reason. Here they are asking whether a unique, this is whether a unique solution. Solution means solution of equation. Solution means value of x and y satisfies the equation. The equation means value of x and y, you will put any value, but answer should be this 0. Answer should come 0. If it is coming 0, it means it is okay. And or otherwise this equal sign is there. This is RHS and this is LHS. So LHS equal to RHS, then also it is known as the solution. Either value of xy satisfies. So both the conditions are there. X and y satisfies the equation, and LHS and LHS equal to RHS. Okay. So here they are saying a unique solution. So it cannot be a unique solution because x value you can go on keeping changing. So if you keeping changing, this y also will keep on changing. So first it is no. It cannot be a unique solution. No, not a unique solution. Okay. Then question number sub question 2. Only 2 solutions, only not. That is also not possible because Y value you can take anything, X value also you can take anything. So we cannot say कि only two solutions will be there. So two solutions also it is no, that is also not possible. Third is infinitely, yeah? Infinitely. This is okay because you keep on changing X value, Y value will keep on changing. You keep on changing Y's value, X value will keep on changing. So in case of two variables, our solutions are always infinitely. Solutions are always infinitively. It can be infinitively. Okay, so this is there. Now write 4 solutions. Question number 2 they are asking. In the question now you said infinitely. So in question number 2 they are asking 4 you have to write. 4 solutions you have to give for a equation. So 4 solutions. Question number 2 you have to write 4 solutions. 4 solutions means you have to give the value of x and y in such a way so that it satisfies the equation and LHS equal to RHS. So first we will take the 2 and sub part 2. Okay, pi x plus y equal to 9. Okay, so here you have to take the value of anything, any value you can take, any value you can take. So let x is equal to, you take 1, you take 0 first. So what will be the equation? 0 dot x, 0 multiplied by because x value we have taken 0, so pi multiplied by 0 plus y will remain the same, equal to 9. So y equal to, this will make it 0. When pi is multiplied by 0, it becomes 0. And 0 we need not write. So y equal to 9. So what will be the solution here? If you take x equal to 0, your solution will be 0 and 9. 0 and 9 is your solution. It means if you take the value of x as a 0, this condition is satisfied, 0 will come. And if you take the value of y as a 9, this condition is satisfied. Okay, so this is that. Now you take y as a 0, we can take anything, huh? So y as a 0, so here pi x plus, in place of y we can write now 0. 0 is equal to 9. So x is equal to 9 upon pi. So what are our two values? Two values are y equal to 0 and x is equal to pi. So first we will write pi and then y value. So this is the value we can write. Now 4 you have to give. So now you can take x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 means pi multiplied by 1 plus y equal to 9. So it will become pi plus y is equal to 9. So y equal to 9 upon pi. So here it is 1 and 9 upon pi. It will be 9 upon pi. Okay. Now you take y equal to anything you can presume and just put the figure in this. So now we are putting minus 1. So pi x plus, but it is y is multiplied by minus 1. Minus 1 minus y, this, equal to 9, because it is minus 1. That's why I have put on the bracket. Otherwise, two signs cannot come together. So pi x minus so value of y. Value of y we have taken as minus of y. Y we will write minus 1. So minus 1 is equal to 9. So x is equal to 9. This one will come to this side 1 and this pi will go down. Okay. So x is equal to 10 upon pi. It will be. So your answers are x is equal to 10 upon pi and minus 1. Okay. So here we are taking the value of x as 1. So pi into 1 plus y will remain as it is, equal to 9. So when 1 will multiply pi, it becomes pi. Plus y will remain 9. So y's value will be, this will go to other side and it will be in the negative, minus. So 9 minus pi it will be. So y's value will be 9 minus 1. So first is x value is 1 and then pi's value. Here we are taking y as a minus 1. Y means this x value we are not changing, and y it is minus 1 equal to 9. It is the equation. So here minus plus it becomes minus. So pi x minus 1 equal to 9. So what will happen? This will go to other side and becomes in the plus. And pi is in multiply position. Pi is in multiplied position. So it will go to the other side in divide position. So x will be 10 upon pi. This will be your answer. So first we always write x and then y. So this is your 4 options are here. Okay, now we will go to the next question. So in this way, we have solved 2.2. You can solve other also. Now question number 4 and 3 we are going. Okay, all questions we are not taking. Here you have to check. You have to check whether the solutions for x minus 2y equal to 4. This they have given an equation. So you have to check which is correct and which is not correct. Check the solution. It means LHS and RHS should come to equal position, or x minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. Both you can. This ax by or plus c. So it will come to 0. So anything you can check. So now we are going to check question number 4.3, sub question 3rd. So values they have given 4 and 0. 4 means it is the value of x. X is equal to 4 they are saying, and y is equal to, they are saying 0. And you have to check whether this is a solution or not. Solution means it should satisfy this one. So here we will write 1x, 1, so x equal to 4, so 4 we can write, minus y is equal to 0 to 2y multiplied by 0 equal to 4. Okay, this we are writing the main. So here what will happen? So 4 minus this will become, due to multiplied, this is multiply sign, point is multiply sign. So it will become 0 equal to 4, 4 equal to 4. Our LHS and RHS both are equal. Okay, or 4, this you bring to this side, minus 4 is equal to 0. So this is also there, it should come to 0. So this, by this way also LHS and RHS are equal, or in this way this is satisfied. So it means it is a solution. The given values are a solution. So yes, it is a solution. In this way you can check others also. Now I am taking one more, 3, 1, 5. Here under 2 is one value, and 4 multiplied under root 2 is the y. So here x value, so x they are taking it, and y this is given, and you have to find this one. So your equation is x minus 2y is equal to 4. X value is given, so x value is given under root 2 minus 2 we will write, then multiply nishan, 4 under root 2, okay, is equal to 4. So this we have placed 2y, 2 and y value we have put it here. So again under root 2 what this 2, it will multiply it, minus 8 under root 2 is equal to 4. So think it is A. Under root 2 is A. Suppose under root 2 is equal to A. So what will become? A minus 8A. So because multiply sign is here. So it is 8A. So what will remain? It will remain minus 7 under root 2 is equal to 4. Now LHS, RHS are not equal. Not equal. So this condition is also not satisfied, because if you will put or RHS, LHS not equal to RHS. Okay, one condition. And if you put it under root 2, this 4 you bring this side. So 0. This is also not possible. Not okay. So this is also not okay. So this equation is also not satisfied. That's why it is not a solution. So this line we will not write, just for explanation I am telling. This we will write and we will say not a solution. Not a solution. It is not a solution. Okay. Now question number 4. Question number 4 we are going to solve. Okay. Just I will rub it, and question number 4 we will solve. Question number 4. Here you have to find the value. Find value of k. You have to find the value of k in the equation. Equation is 2x plus 3y is equal to k. They are giving, and value of x is given. X is given as 2. X equal to 2 they have given. Plus y, 3y is equal to, x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1 they have given. So into 1 equal to k. So what will happen? This will become 4 and this will become 3. Point means it is a multiply sign, or multiply sign you can use also. In place of x, because x sometimes makes confusion, that's why in algebra we put point also. So equal to k. So 7 equal to k. So answer, k's value is 7. This is your answer. Okay. So by this the chapter is over. Thank you for watching our videos. Please share it and subscribe to our channel. Share to your friends so that they will also be benefited from these type of videos in future also. Thank you.